Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about two Coach backpacks. So I have two lovely Coach backpacks right here, and I wanted to do a quick comparison as far as what all can fit. I have the Coach Edge pack in signature canvas right here, as well as the Coach Graham pack in leather. So both of these lovely bags came from Coach Outlet. They have them available at Coach Outlet, sometimes at the Coach retail store. And today I wanted to talk about these lovely bags. There's so many lovely bags as far as backpacks available online when you're trying to make your decisions. I recently did an unboxing of the Coach West pack on my channel in signature canvas. And today I wanted to talk about this lovely Graham pack as well as the Coach Edge pack. So let's go ahead, let's get started. So I have all these lovely contents in front of me, and today I wanted to show you what all could fit in both of these backpacks. So let's go ahead and get ready to do this comparison. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys that can fit in both of these bags, I have two notebooks. So in both of the bags, I will go ahead and put a notebook, both in the Graham on my right, your left, as well as in the Coach Edge pack on your left. On your right. My left is the signature Edge pack. We're going to go ahead and put the signature Coach notebook in that one. So both of the bags can hold a notebook. Both of the bags are going to be able to hold some form of tablet. If you see, I have my iPad right here. I have a Coach signature print iPad cover, and I have my iPad right here. This is an early generation iPad. This will be able to fit into the Coach signature pack, as well as I have my Samsung tablet right here, the Tab A by Samsung. That's a Galaxy tablet. That's going to be able to fit into this Coach Graham backpack. Next, we're going to go ahead and put a corner zip wristlet that we can put lipstick, different various items. I have two Coach corner zip wristlets right here. Each of the backpacks will be able to hold a corner zip wristlet that, as you can see, will be able to hold some cash, will be able to hold a lipstick or two. You're going to be able to put different items, your driver's license, different items in each of the signature corner zip wristlets by Coach in both of the backpacks. Also, in both of the backpacks, I will have sunglasses. So both of the backpacks will be able to fit a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses or any of your sunglasses that you prefer. I just wanted to try to match up the bags with similar items so you could see that they can hold similar contents. So each of the bags will be able to hold a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses. Each of the bags will be able to hold a coin purse by Coach. Each of the bags will be able to hold some form of coin purse, even if it's not by Coach, whatever type of coin purse you prefer. Each of the backpacks will be able to hold a coin purse. Additionally, each of the bags will be able to hold a card case. So I have two Coach card cases right here that you'll be able to put your debit cards and different items. So both of the bags will have the exact same items. Additionally, both of the bags can hold a water bottle. So the Graham over here on my right, your left, is a smaller backpack. So I did bring a smaller size water bottle just to show you that the Graham pack will be able to hold a water bottle. And the Edge pack being a larger backpack, I did go ahead and I wanted to show you all that the Edge pack can hold either size water bottle, either a smaller size water bottle or a 16 fluid ounce water bottle. Both of them or one will be able to fit into the Edge pack. Now, that's not to say that the Graham can't hold a larger water bottle. It's just that if you use a larger water bottle in the Graham, it will go ahead and, that's going to take up room for more of your items because the water bottle is larger. So I would recommend with the Graham that you bring a smaller size water bottle. So let's go ahead and pack these beauties up so that we can see that all of the same items can fit in each of these backpacks. So I'm going to start with the larger Edge pack right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that nothing is in there. We're starting off empty. There's nothing in there. I'm going to go ahead and put my iPad in here, as well as the notebook. Go ahead and put my iPad and the notebook in here, the Coach notebook. And next, I'm going to go ahead and put the larger water bottle in here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put the corner zip wristlet by Coach in here. I'm going to go ahead and put my Coach coin purse in here, as well as my Coach card case in the edge pack. The last item that I'm going to put in the edge pack is my Ray-Ban sunglasses. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the bag and zip her up. And we do have the extra water bottle right there. So that's the edge pack. Next, we're going to go ahead and fill the Graham backpack with the same items. We're going to start off with an empty backpack, just showing you all that there's nothing in there. The first thing, I always start with the larger items first when I'm packing my bag, because if you start with the smaller items, then they kind of just ramble around at the bottom of the bag. So I always start with the larger items first. The first thing is going to be the notebook. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. The next large item is the Tab A Galaxy Samsung Tab A tablet. I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Also, I probably would take my tablet out the box. I probably wouldn't carry the box with me when I go ahead and go out for the day. But for right now, I just wanted to show you guys that it can fit. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put the corner zip wristlet in. Fit that down in there. Let's go ahead and put the water bottle in the side compartment. Well, it's the interior compartment, but it's over to the side of the bag so that it could fit. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put my Coach coin purse in there, and also my Coach card case. And the last thing that I'm going to go ahead and put in is my Ray-Ban sunglasses and case. And here is everything. This is how everything is. You can see everything can fit in here. Everything is all packed away and everything fits in there perfectly, and it can zip up. Go ahead and zip this beauty up. So this is the Coach Graham. And let me show you all how everything was in the edge pack. Everything is in there with the water bottle. All the contents are in there. The corner zip wristlet, my iPad, my Ray-Ban sunglasses, a card case, as well as a coin purse by Coach. Everything is in here, as well as, like I said, the water bottle is on the interior, but if you wanted to with the edge pack, it has so much space that you can go ahead and stick that water bottle on the side as well. You can always put a water bottle on the side, and I love that I saw this bag on the streets of Chicago. I was able to go ahead and see this lovely bag. Someone was carrying it, and that makes you feel so, so good when you see someone carrying your handbag and rocking it out. So it really, really made me feel good. And that goes to show you that the bags sell out online. When you see that they're out of stock, you know that everybody and people are picking them up, especially when you go ahead and you have a coat sighting and you see someone wearing one of the lovely bags on the street. So that's what I wanted to show you, girls. Everything that can fit in these lovely bags. Once again, we have the notebook, the iPad case, Ray-Bans, a corner zip wristlet. That Coach is known for their corner zip wristlets, a Coach card case right here, as well as water bottles. You're going to be able to fit your water bottles in there, and a coin purse as well. So these are both beauties in my collection, the Coach Edge Pack backpack, as well as the Graham pack. Both of these items are available at Coach online, as well as the retail store. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos on Coach Signature Canvas, and I'll see you ladies in tomorrow's video.